Good morning, friends. Good morning, class. Welcome to Rammer Math TV. This is the continuation of my vlog entitled Correlation and Regression. This is part 2, and we will focus on the multiple regression. This is the sample problem for multiple regression. So, you can see here the two types of variables. One type of uh, you can see here the two types of independent variables. One type of independent variable is the GPA, and another type of independent variable is age. And these two independent variables are related to the same single dependent variable state board score. Our target is to find or to derive the multiple regression equation. Of course, before you can derive this multiple regression equation, there must be a strong value, a strong relationship, a strong correlation coefficient, and that value of the correlation coefficient must be significant. So these two requirements must be complied before deriving the multiple regression equation like this. So let's go back to the problem. I'll show you how to uh, compute the R, how to compute the significance, and how to uh, finally derive the multiple regression equation. So let us encode this data in Microsoft Excel like this. And let us encode this phrase in the Google tab. So multiple regression calculator. Enter. Then left-click the multiple regression calculator statistics kingdom. Double left-click. Okay. So all the information that you can see here in the upper portion should be maintained, especially the 0.05 level of significance, because this is the level of significance or margin of error that is being used in the problem. All right. So let us clear that one. Let's go back to the scratch. All right. So for x sub 1, that is the GPA. This is the first independent variable. Let us left click and hold, copy the data of the first column, copy and then paste. Right click and paste. Let's have another independent variable, that is this is the GPA age. So left click and hold, right click and copy, right click and paste. Then let's have the last column, that is the single dependent variable. So left click and hold towards the last number, right click, copy, then right click, paste, then left click, calculate. All right. So you can see here the value of your R. Okay. So the coefficient of multiple correlation equals 0.989288. So this belongs to the very strong correlation in the last bracket as I have presented in my previous vlog. So this presents a very strong correlation, a very strong relationship. And then to test its significance, let's have this table. So you can see that the p-value. So this table is the ANOVA table. So you can see that the p-value is less than the 0.05 level of significance. That means that the null hypothesis should be rejected, and let us accept the claim that there is a significant significant relationship. So the value of R is significant. All right, and then we have known already the value of the coefficient of multiple correlation, and we have also seen that this value of correlation is significant, and so it's a very good indicator that we can derive already the multiple regression equation. Okay, so let us find it. It is okay here. This is the multiple regression equation, right? So let's go back to the PowerPoint. So the decimal places can be limited into 2. So this is the result. So once we have the multiple regression equation, we can already predict the value of y given the value of x. So for example, if a student has a GPA of 3 and is 25 years old, so her predicted state board score can be computed using this multiple regression equation. So you simply substitute x sub 1 by 3, and you simply substitute x sub 2 by 25. So you do the arithmetic here, do the multiplication and then the addition. So the result of your y is 581.44 or 581. Hence, if a student has a GPA of 3 and is 25 years old, the student's predicted state board score is 581, and this is according to our computation using the multiple regression equation. All right. So, by the way, friends, if some of you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated with my latest uploaded videos. Thank you for listening. I hope my share of mathematical knowledge has helped you a lot. Thank you for listening, and God bless you all.